Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have the case of a unique user, an Android user swayed by what's on Apple land. Let's quickly get the specs out of the way. 64GB 399, 128 for 449, 256 for close to 600 including taxes. Swayed by the dark mode on the iPhone, this user sort of trying to find an alternative to the Android land is venturing to the opposite side, to the dark side as it were. This user carefully unboxes the box, assuming she can still give it back in case she doesn't like it. And this is her previous phone. This user has carefully managed a Huawei Mate 10 for 4 years or so. Unfortunately, the battery just gave way and she decided to see what Apple is going to offer, having heard a lot from her friends about the largesse of Apple. This user has decided to spend $600 of her blood, sweat and tears into this product. Little does she know this doesn't come with a fast charger. Anyway, getting back to the point, admiring looks at the box, carefully inspecting the plastic cover and lifting it ever so gently to reveal a bunch of paperwork, which is fairly exciting, hiding the beautiful iPhone SE 2020 in the box. As a professional phone unboxer, as you can see, admiring the paperwork first, clearly seduced by the images of the iPhone SE with large front and back, bezels, reminding her of 2015. Carefully takes out the charger, hiding her annoyance at the fact that this is not a fast charger, and really feeling happy at having received a pair of earphones, which a lot of Android phones presumably do not offer currently. Little does she know the sound quality of these pair of earphones are shit, but she's gonna make do. And this user is a curious case, having made a decision to switch over to the iPhone land, the iOS landscape, taking a little bit of a conservative feet into the water type of a situation with the iPhone SE. If the user likes it, she can consider the iPhone 11, 11 Pros and the best of what Apple has to offer. This is a smaller screen, 4.7 inches, admiring in its full glory the LCD screen as it lights up the famous Apple logo with a hello. The next step, presumably, is to hook it up with Wi-Fi and set the phone up. So far, so good. Asking for password as usual. Typing on the smallish keyboard made smaller on a 4.7-inch screen. I don't really know the justification for Apple to not make it more sleek. The small screen can be a hindrance for a lot of people, but not for this user who has clearly made a decision. Touch ID, swiping, no lag swiping. Coming from the oversaturated colors of Huawei, the automatic color management of iOS seems a bit dull to her. Hopefully she'll manage, admiring the glass back, black and glossy. The fingerprints will thank her later. So there you go, this is a unique unboxing by a former Android user taking a plunge into the iOS ecosystem. I hope you like it. I would like to follow it up with her views on the product, and if she liked it. Just FYI, she managed to chip the back of the phone by dropping it. Thanks for watching.